Hi dear students, we are moving on third chapter of physics, that is electromagnetic induction. We already discussed 3 parts in this chapter. Today we discuss fourth part, that is household electrification and watt-hour meter. All of you are most welcome to our class. I suggest that all of you watch the class in full screen. Firstly, we notice some figures related to our class. We familiarize some devices and parts of our household electrification. Firstly, watt-hour meter. You already know watt-hour meter. In everybody's house, watt-hour meter is. Electricity is measured in kilowatt-hour. Kilowatt-hour is the unit. Then next we see main fuse. Main fuse. Then next is main switch. Main switch, it has a handle. It is used for off and on. It is power plug. Here 3 wires are seen. The red wire is phase line. Red wire is phase line. Black wire is neutral line. Black wire is neutral line. Then green wire is earth line. Green wire is earth line. Neutral line is black or blue colors are used. Here we can see only the figures. Next, ELCB. Earth leakage circuit breaker. Earth leakage circuit breaker. It has a switch. Then it is the power circuit. Here switch is connected to live wire. Live wire is phase line. Then bulb or device is connected to both the phase line, that is live wire, and neutral wire. It is also, we can see, we are familiarizing this device on and off situation. MCB, miniature circuit breaker. ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. RCCB, residual current circuit breaker. Residual current circuit breaker. These instruments are, we are just familiarizing for our study purpose. Next we can see that a model for household electrification. Firstly we see watt-hour meter. Watt-hour meter. Then just below watt-hour meter, main fuse is seen. Main fuse. Then main switch is, see, main switch has a handle for on and off the main switch. Then an ELCB is seen. ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. It has one switch, one blue switch. Then next MCB. MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Miniature circuit breaker. MCB. Then below one switchboard is seen. One bulb is connected to switchboard in parallel. Here the connection is in parallel circuit. Then under the switchboard one connection is going to for fan. This is the picture seen in your textbook for household electrification. Firstly, electric lines comes from distribution transformer to our electric post. From the electric post, 2 lines, that is one phase line and one neutral line, comes to our house. It is single phase. Single phase has 2 lines, one phase line and one neutral line. But in some rare houses, 3 phases are used. For 3 phase lines and one neutral line, that is 4 lines are used. But many of the houses, single phase lines are used. One phase line or live line and one neutral line are used. Firstly, this connected to kilowatt hour meter, watt hour meter. Then it is connected to main fuse, then to main switch. Then after ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. Then connected to MCB distribution board. MCB is a miniature circuit breaker. Here connection is in parallel connection. Household electrification. Household electrification is mainly parallel connection. In some situations, series connection are used. Parallel and series connections are we are already studied in the first chapter. In series connection, in decoration chain lamps, for decoration chain lamps only series connections are used in our house. Then parallel connection in rooms. For all rooms we are used parallel connections. Mainly in household electrification, parallel connection are used. Parallel connection. But parallel and series connections are in a household. Some questions related to this. To which device is the electric line reach our home connected first? Which device is the electric line reach our home connected first? വാട്ട് അവർ മീറ്റർ. വീട്ടിലേക്ക് എത്തുന്ന ഏറ്റവും ആദ്യം വീട്ടിലെ ഏത് ഉപകരണവുമായിട്ടാണ് ഘടിപ്പിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്? വാട്ട് അവർ മീറ്റർ. ഫ്രം വേർ ഡസ് ദ എർത്ത് ലൈൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട്? ഫ്രം ദ മെയിൻ സ്വിച്ച്. ഫ്രം ദ മെയിൻ സ്വിച്ച് എർത്ത് ലൈൻസ് ആർ സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ്. എർത്ത് ലൈൻസ് ഈസ് സീൻ ഇൻ ഗ്രീൻ കളർ. What is the use of watt hour meter? The electricity is measured using a watt hour meter. Electricity is measured using a watt hour meter. In which lines are the fuse connected? Phase line. Fuses are connected in phase line. Which is the function of the main switch? Where is the position in the circuit? The electricity reaches the electrical appliances through the main switch. Electricity reaches the electrical appliances through the main switch. Therefore, instead of turning each switch off, the main switch can be switched off. The main switch is placed just after the watt hour meter. The main switch is placed just after the watt hour meter. The electricity reaches the electrical appliances through the main switch. Therefore, instead of turning each switch off, the main switch can be switched off. Only the main switch is switched off. All the electrical appliances are off. It is in a particular situation. In the household electrical circuit, which is the third line other than the phase and the neutral? Other than the phase and neutral, the third line is earth line. Earth line is the third line. In household electrical circuit, phase line, neutral line and earth lines are seen. What are the colors used for wires in phase, neutral and earth lines? Phase line has red color. Neutral line has black or blue color. Some situations blue color are also used for neutral line. Earth line, green colors are used. Earth line, green colors are used. Where is the earth wire connected in a 3-pin socket? In 3-pin socket, the earth line is connected to the pin E. E is the larger pin. How is the household devices connected? Series or parallel? Household devices are connected in parallel. Household devices are connected in parallel. It is a sure one-word question for our SLC examination. Page number 64 has some questions. The answers are this. To which device the electric line reaches our home connected first? Electric line first reaches to the device kilowatt hour meter or watt hour meter, energy meter. These all are the names of kilowatt hour meter, watt hour meter or energy meter. Earth line starts from kilowatt hour meter. Earth line starts from kilowatt hour meter. Watt hour meter is used to measure the amount of electrical energy consumption. Measure the amount of electrical energy consumption. Fuse wire is connected with the phase line in series. Main switch will control or regulate the current flowing into the household circuit. Main switch will control or regulate the current flowing into the household circuit. Red color is used for phase line, green color is used for earth line, black color or blue color is used for neutral line. The earth wire is connected with the E pin in the 3-pin socket. All devices in household are parallel connection. Parallel connection. What are the advantages of connecting devices in parallel? We are already studied in the first chapter. All the devices will get equal amount of voltage. All the devices will get equal amount of voltage. Then devices works according to the mark power. Devices works according to the mark power. മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന പവറിൽ തന്നെ ഓരോ ഡിവൈസിനും വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും. ഡിവൈസസ് ക്യാൻ ബി കൺട്രോൾഡ് യൂസിങ് സ്വിച്ചസ് ആസ് പെർ നീഡ്. നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യം അനുസരിച്ച് സ്വിച്ച് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ഡിവൈസസിനെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും. In case if one device stops working, other devices keep working without being affected. സീരീസ് കണക്ഷനിലാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ഡിവൈസ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മൊത്തം സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ആവും. പാരലൽ കണക്ഷനിലാകുമ്പോൾ ഒന്ന് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ആയാലും ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം വർക്ക് ചെയ്യും. The resistance offered will be the least, hence it saves electricity. The resistance offered will be least, hence it saves electricity. In some advantages of connecting devices in parallel, devices work according to the mark power. Devices can be controlled using switches as per need. The bulb will get required voltage. These are the 3 main points. Devices work according to the mark power. Devices can be controlled using switches as per need. The bulb get the required voltage. For 2 mark questions, you write this answer. For 3 mark questions or 4 mark questions, you are writing the answer just before we are discussing. Next, we see watt hour meter. Watt hour meter. It is our second portion, watt hour meter in page 65. It is the picture of watt hour meter. Watt hour meter is the instrument used to measure the electrical energy consumed is watt hour meter. The instrument used to measure electrical energy consumed. 1 unit is 1 kilowatt hour. വീട്ടിലൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഇലക്ട്രിസിറ്റി ബില്ല് കാണുമ്പോൾ നമുക്കറിയാം, നമ്മൾ സാധാരണയായിട്ട് കാണുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്, എത്ര യൂണിറ്റ് ഇലക്ട്രിസിറ്റി ഉപയോഗിച്ചു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാണ് നമ്മളോട് കാണുന്നത്. ഒരു യൂണിറ്റ് എന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് 1 കിലോവാട്ട് അവർ എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അപ്പം 2 യൂണിറ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ചെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2 കിലോവാട്ട് അവർ നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ചു എന്നുള്ളതാണ് അതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ്. എനർജി ഇൻ കിലോവാട്ട് അവർ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഈസ് പവർ ഇൻ വാട്ട് ഇൻറ്റു അവേഴ്സ് ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ 1000. 1 unit electrical energy is equal to 1 kilowatt hour, which means the commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. It is the one word question for SLC examination. The commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. It is denoted by kWh. A device of power 1000 watt. 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt. Kilo means 1000. When used for 1 hour, consume 1 unit of electrical energy. A device of power 1000 watt, when used for 1 hour, consume 1 unit of electrical energy. 1000 watt energy 1 hourലേക്ക് ഒരു ഡിവൈസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനാണ് 1 യൂണിറ്റ് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. യൂണിറ്റ് എനർജി. വാട്ട് അവർ മീറ്റർ. It is used to measure electrical energy in the unit kilowatt hour, also known as unit. Kilowatt hour is known as unit. Equation used to calculate electrical energy used. Equation is energy in kilowatt hour equal to power in watt into time in hour divided by 1000. It is the equation for calculating energy in kilowatt hour, but in practical use the it has some difference. Energy in kilowatt hour is equal to power in watt into number of devices into time in hour divided by 1000. In practical sense, the equation is power in watt into number of devices used into time in hour divided by 1000. Energy in kilowatt hour equal to power in watt into number of devices into time in hour divided by 1000. One problem is related to this. A grinder of power 750 watt works for 4 hours. Calculate the energy consumed in kilowatt hour. A grinder of power 750 watt works for 4 hours. Then equation for energy consumed in kilowatt hour is equal to power in watt into time in hour divided by 1000. Power in watt is equal to 750. Number of device is 1, only 1. So it is not mentioned here. And time in hour is equal to 4 hours. So 750 into 4 divided by 1000. 750 into 4 is equal to 3000. Therefore, 3000 divided by 1000 is equal to 3 kilowatt hour. 3 kilowatt hour, that is equal to 3 unit. The grinder is used for 3 unit of energy, that is equal to 3 kilowatt hour. In a house, 5 CFL lamp each of 20 watt works for 4 hours. 5 CFL lamp 20 watt works for 4 hours. 4 fans each of 60 watt works for 5 hours. And a TV of 100 watt works for 4 hours in a day. What will be the daily consumption shown by the watt hour meter? 4 hours consumption of 5 CFL having 20 watt. 4 hours. The equation is energy in watt into number of items into hours divided by 1000. So here 5 CFL used. So number is equal to 5 into 20 watt is used. 20 into 4 hours 4. So 5 into 20 into 4 divided by 1000. We got 400. That is 5 into 4 20. 20 into 20 400. So 400 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.4. 0.4. 0.04 kilowatt. 0.04 kilowatt. Then second, 5 hours consumption of 4 fan having 60 watt. 4 fans. So 4 into 60 watt. 60 into 5 hours equal to 5. Divide by 1000. That is equal to 1.2 kilowatt hour. Then 4 hours consumption of 1 TV having 100 watt. 1 TV, so the number is 1. Watt power is equal to 100. So 100 into 4 hours. So 1 into 100 into 4 divided by 1000. That is equal to 400 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.4 kilowatt. Kilowatt hour. 0.4 kilowatt hour. Then total unit is 0.04 kilowatt hour plus 1.2 kilowatt hour plus 0.04 kilowatt hour. That is equal to total unit is equal to 2 kilowatt hour. 2 kilowatt hour. That is equal to 2 unit. 2 unit is used. Thank you so much for watching the class. Watch the class many more times and write the notes in your notebook and study very well. Thank you so much. If you like the class, please subscribe, like and share. Comment also. Then God bless you.